How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech, and also to my announcement of the winner for this beautiful system next to me. So RebelTech, Aorus, NZXT and I have been hyping this giveaway up for some time now because it's an awesome giveaway, the biggest one on our channel. But just a small little question. Did you guys really think that we were just gonna give away a system like this? I mean, it is April Fool's today. On the Gleam page, it did say on the 1st of April. So many times we've said it's on the 1st of April, which you all know is April Fool's. So did you guys really think that we were gonna do this? Well, you guys were right. We are. I mean, it is not a joke. It is a real thing. It's legit. So it is an April Fool's joke, just to be clear. I have kind of been teasing you guys for a while about this, making jokes that it's a joke, or I might just keep the system for myself, like a few things like that, especially on like the live streams. But luckily you guys didn't believe me, and we are gonna announce the true winner for this PC in a few moments, seconds, minutes, yeah. But just quickly, two things beforehand. Just a massive thank you to RebelTech, Aorus and NZXT for providing all of the parts for this giveaway. Seriously, without them this would not be possible, so they're freaking awesome. I love them. Definitely go check them out. I'll again leave all of the social and everything linked in the description. And then secondly, unfortunately, of course, there can only be one winner. So to the people who might not win, I do apologize for that. It is chosen randomly. So again, one winner chosen out of all of you guys. There's a few thousand that enter. There's thousands and thousands of entries. So again, only one winner, unfortunately. But I do thank you guys so much for the support over these couple of weeks. It's been awesome just doing like live streams and just making fun a bit. It was really enjoyable, and I do hope the most of you stay and not like just straight afterwards just unsub just because of you didn't win. I do hope you guys actually stay for this. But finally, I've been dragging this out long enough. The winner for this beautiful system is, drumroll, I can't really do my drumming anymore. I haven't played drums in a while. But the winner is this person, probably up here. So congratulations to you. RebelTech has already sent out a mail to you, so go check out your emails. If you don't reply within 5 days, unfortunately, we will need to choose a different winner. So make sure to go check your emails because it's kind of important. I mean, it's quite a big giveaway. But thank you for entering. Congratulations again. We will again stay in contact with you, trying to arrange everything so we can send the PC to you. Also, I will keep all of you guys updated once the winner has made contact, and then also if he's open to it, share like a photo or a video of him showing off the PC and so on. But that is it for this not April Fool's video. So a massive thank you again to RebelTech, Aorus, NZXT, and of course to all of you guys for supporting this channel. And I really do hope through you guys' support that we can do more giveaways like this, because I really enjoy like giving away systems like this or just giveaways. So hopefully in the future we can do more of those. But that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, even if you didn't win, please like, share, subscribe, and comment like always. And then I will check all of you guys next time. Cheers, guys.